Okay, so let's deal with divergent plate boundaries. So, as we discussed in our intro video, divergent means to be moving away. Okay, so we're going to give you an example of two oceanic plates that are moving in opposite directions. Here is the boundary between the two. Okay, so this is where we expect tectonic activity to take place. They are the same density, because they are the same type of plate, oceanic, and they are moving in these directions. Again, same as before, they are responding to patterns in the mantle from our convection currents. So, in its essence, that's kind of exactly what they are. Two oceanic plates moving in opposite directions, and caused by convection currents. So then what happens? Well, okay, what's the effect of this? What we see is up from the mantle rises magma. It rises until it reaches our ocean floor and forms new ocean floor, becomes lava and forms. In fact, I'm going to draw this in brown to show you that new land is being created. New ocean floor. Okay, so this is a classic example of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Okay, it runs all the way between the two plates, which are the Eurasian plate and the North American plate. Yep, and if you look at this example that I'm going to put up on the screen as an image, this is really how Iceland formed. Lava was added and added to the ocean floor until it rose above sea level, creating new land. Okay, that's Iceland. That's exactly what Iceland is. When you are in Iceland, you are standing on a tectonic plate boundary. You are standing on a divergent volcano, or shield volcano, that's formed this entire nation. Okay, so what is it like to live on a divergent plate boundary in terms of the events that we see? Well, again, they're very helpful because there are some similarities. Yes, we experience volcanoes, but as you can see from the image that I put up, people are very happy stood next to them because they are very weak. Okay, they are not powerful like those experienced on convergent plate boundaries. Yes, we do get earthquakes again, but again, then you're not living in fear of earthquakes because they are weak. Tsunamis, we don't really experience them. Okay, they don't take place. They may take place, but again, I think you can proceed in your GCSEs by saying they don't occur in this situation. Add to this, well, what are they like? They're weak, but they're also frequent, which is the opposite of rare. They are frequent. So again, if you're living in Iceland, there may be an earthquake whilst you're at a restaurant, and all that happens is the table shakes a tiny little bit and stops. And you look around the restaurant and nobody even cares. It's such a frequent and common thing that people don't even talk about it. Okay? So this is a divergent plate boundary. All right? The absolute keys that you take away from this are two tectonic plates moving away from each other, magma rising up from the mantle to create new ocean floor. Yes, there are volcanoes, and yes, there are earthquakes, but they are weak and frequent. Okay? Hope that helps. Let's jump into the final one, which is conservative.